Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session today. My name is Mo G. I am a lead trader here with TWA Indicators. Let's jump right into the pre-market analysis for New York. So as you can see on the screen here, we have the TWA market structure indicator. Let's take a look. This is a game plan that I made last night. Right now, it is at my long on stall level, which is the green. If it were to break, I would wait for a retest before I would go short. Or if it stalls here, I would take a long, looking for it to get to about the 500s or so. How you can see on the TWA market structure indicator, we have right now we're looking at plenty of support at this area, and we will have to see if it can hold or if it breaks. Let's go look at the dashboard real quick. Excuse me. You can see on the dashboard right now we have higher time frames are short. Our order is trending short. Present session control is bearish, and we have price action is a bearish reversal. Let me just sorry about that. Just take that out of the way. As you can see here, as present time, we have a bearish money zone on top of price. That gives you an idea of that price could shoot up, possibly touch the money zone, and head back down. However, at open, we will get a good idea of what New York wants to do. So again, this is the short on stall level. You see how here it hit nicely. You had a nice long opportunity at around 9 o'clock for, let's see, 316 up to, about 50 points, about a 50-point long there. However, let's just wait to New York Open happens, get some more participation in the market, and see if they want to hold this area, if the bulls want to hold this area, or are they going to give it up and we're going to head down to the next area. Right now, you can see on the IVD, the initial volume distribution. Background and candles are red, so that's a bearish sign. And right now on our trigger chart, they're red. So right now things look bearish, but let's see in the next 2 minutes when they open. Now let's head over to the guys on the chart. Good morning, everybody.
Hey guys, hey guys.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Let's see. Hey, DC, your mic is buzzing a bit.
How come?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
Maybe
I'll
it's
just mute myself and then talk only when needed.
okay. Actually, it's better now. What did you do?
I didn't do absolutely anything.
I think the Tesla gods heard us. No, it's good now.
Okay, well, open in 15 seconds. Let's go. We'll see what's going on. If we're gonna break below 300s, stay below, or chop around, or just have a reversal day long. We'll see. We're open.
We are open. And
Sheesh.
down we go.
Sheesh.
That's gotta hurt.
Damn.
Let me do this. Okay, well, looks like I know what I'm gonna try to do. Do. Let's just see when.
Mm.
The price fell way too fast for me.
And we are super cheap. Thank you very much.
It's the ATR 20. Alright, come on, Bulls. Fire this up so I can figure out what I want to do. Let me get to a trigger chart here. There you go. Look at how nicely. Oh, look at these nice indicators. So nice. So nice.
Long at 54, very risky already at break even.
Wow, that was a very fast long.
That's how we play here. Taking a small TP here, and then we'll see what happens. I don't expect the trade to run unless a miracle happens. There you go. Let's see. Come on. Ooh, still in it. Magically. 37. Yeah, if we cannot pass these 290s, it's going back down.
Seems like it wants to.
For me, it feels like it struggles. Okay. And we're done with that.
I'm short.
Nice. I would say, but that super cheap box is giving me pause. Still, at least until 215 we should be able to grab that liquidity.
I'm on.
Yeah, I think we're good. If we can't get above the 300s, just wait for the next 4 hour. I will look short.
Have a buy signal.
Okay. Okay. That sound.
It's DC.
What did I do?
You're too close to the flux capacitor on your time machine.
Yes, but I'm not at 80 miles per hour yet. Okay, IVD turned green though.
I'm
That's
flat.
interesting.
Shit, I'm flat. I'm flat. That trade was
Yeah,
kind of fun.
but we're rejecting hard off of this 300s already.
300 level. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 319. I mean, 319 and 311 is a monthly level, and is also the bottom of the cheap bucks on both auto and small.
I think the next 4 hour will be very telling.
We had news at 10 o'clock.
Oh boy. What is it? What is the?
I think it's wholesale inventory. Let me see. Yeah, wholesale inventories, and then Trump talks today at some point too. Market woke up and chose violence today, man.
The slapbacks are
50.
particularly violent.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot understand why we cannot have like 2-3 candles in a row that go in the same direction.
Yeah. I want to go long. On long. I'm trying it. Risky.
Don't blame me, but cannot join you either.
Nah, I feel you. This is a risky trade for me. I already want to exit.
I am not looking long. Why am I not looking long? Because if you look at my game plan here, we're underneath that short on stall. So far, we have not broken through yet. So I have to wait. Have to wait, have to wait, have to wait.
I don't think we're gonna bust through this money zone here. In case we do though. Okay. Does anybody else like this or no? Just me?
With the longs,
Yeah.
I would scalp longs. I mean, that's if I was playing longs, that's what I would do. I don't know about runners, but I would scalp a long as I could.
No cursing, no cursing, no cursing, no cursing.
So we have 10 minutes before the new 4 hour. And we got space to go up.
Does anybody like this outside of me? Come on, can somebody join me so I can get a little more confidence? Come on, somebody join me, please.
I will join you if you can stay comfortably above 350.
Oh, give me confidence. Come on, somebody join me. There's 70 points there, but come on, somebody join me. I want to get 150 points. I haven't taken a trim yet. I'm just trailing my stops. I'm only in 20 micros. I'm just trailing my stops. I'm looking for 100 points. $300, I'm gonna be completely flat. No, I mean, hold on, wait. At 300, I'm only gonna have 5 micros left. Anything under 311, at 311, I'm gonna have 10 micros left, and at 300, I'm gonna have 5 micros left. At 300 is that London low. I don't want to risk too much more. I want this to be a one and done trade, honestly.
What does that mean?
10 micros left. A buddy of mine took the trade. He said he got his TP. Remember at 300, I'm gonna be flat. That's the London low. I mean, not flat. 5 micros left. I'm not at break even. I'm at 270. 270 is where I'm gonna be flat. That would just cover the expenses of these contracts. No, they don't cancel your account. I'll talk to you about it later.
Yeah, because I'm going through a little thing.
Yeah, now going live on My Funded Future is it's good, but it sucks because if you blow your funded account if you blow your live account, that they give you they put you on a little probation.
I understood that, but like, did they on whichever one they pushed you up on, right? What did
Hmm.
they label that as? Like pass, fail, breach? Like what did they do? If you remember.
Hold on, I'm sorting this straight. Let me
Yeah.
go. Why? Do you know why? Hold on, because you want to see where the account is still hidden at, so you can see your statistics.
No, it's not that. It's just that the day they moved me, I qualified for a payout, and I'm pissed. So,
Oh, and they make you make $1,000 before you can get a payout
so
on the
I
live
have.
account.
Well, I have to. Nah, like in my
Let's talk about it after.
yeah.
Let's talk about it after.
Let's see. I have no idea. Why
Well,
can't they make sizes
Cloud's
smaller?
money zone got busted. Now I'm hoping my money zone would get busted.
Oh, say that about my money zones again, please.
I said, well, you got your wish, and that red money zone got busted, right?
Yeah.
Now I hope I will get my wish and my green money zone will get busted. Let's see who wishes stronger. You already got your wish. It's only fair that I get my wish. I'm short at 330 by the way, if you didn't get it.
Well, guess what, you guys? I'm flat.
Nice short DC.
Oh no, he was short at 320.
331 to be exact.
Mo, just I just want you to know to hear the price that he said that he is short at, and when did he call it out at? He waited until I was completely flat. Come on now.
He didn't want to make you feel bad.
No, I mean like
if that's not kindness for my fellow trader, I don't know what it is.
I literally dog, man, like literally like right when we hit this fib from the New York session, that's definitely my stop up, but I wanted to take a trim up there, and I was like, nah, let me see kind of we can get more, because I wanted to see if we can get above this 350 level, from the news. I'm happy to say that I'm done before the new 4 hour. I'm not taking any more trades today. That feels good. That feels good. I still like the longs though. I mean, only because of what I'm seeing on my chart. I mean, but with the new 4 hour coming out soon, it's just like I can't even. I mean, like I wouldn't even take another set of trades right now unless you're already in a trade.
I mean, if we really, if I'm all right, if I'm really looking at it, right, price has the potential to make it all the way up to the 480s. Like, let's see. There it is. Okay. I would say you have the 420s up to the 460s. But the only thing that's giving me pause is that we have been stuck underneath my short on long on stall level because we've been stalling on the wrong side for the past what is this?
30 minutes.
Yeah. So that's the only thing that would give me pause right now. That and then what's the IVD doing?
New 4 hour is here. IVD is green. TPO is red. Another chopping. $75 points here. Not taking it. Don't make me regret it. It's only 2 ATRs. We want more. We want more. Let's get a trade that runs, man.
I mean, if you're looking at the dashboard, so if you're bullish, right, you have session control in your favor, you have price action in your favor, you have the IVD in your partially in your favor, because the background is depending how you use it, can either show you bullish weakness, but the candles are green. You're looking at context and entry. You just had a good entry for a long. If for me to enter a long, it would have to come back to the 300, stay above nicely, and then I would think about entering a long. Look, we just had this nice push up, and then all of a sudden, we got weakness right afterwards. I tend not to like those days.
I might be done if this doesn't work.
Because we're kind of stuck right here. We've played in the same general area since open. There we go. You see that nice test there? And it kind of tried to stay above it. Gotta see more of that.
I'm out. Okay, well, it is what it is.
Yeah, that way. Oh, let me carry it back. Actually, like I'm gonna call out a update on the trade I took. So I'm carry it back. All right, we're closing in on 100 points. I didn't want to call it out because I didn't want DC to get spooked out of his trade.
You
But
cannot
I pretty much took the same trade again down here off the news. And to most point, if 480 can hold, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a payout on this. account on my funded futures today. If 480 can hold.
Me 380. No. Yeah. Right.
Oh no, I thought you said 480.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Like as far as a target.
Yes, yeah. So like, I also want that 480 as a target. 480. I mean, really between 457 and 483. 500 would be amazing.
It has to get out of here though.
It's gonna get out of here. Just wait. Just give it a second.
Well, I mean, you have the IVDs in your favor. You have the what else? Dashboard, the bottom two, bullish and reversal, in your favor. Market could not break below.
VWAP is where is I'm gonna just take a trim here. 5 micros off the table. 5 micros left.
Look how nicely how the trigger candles with DC's timing mechanism. My goodness.
Green backgrounds.
My goodness. This could be a day like around 2 o'clock. It just tumbles again.
But then I would be long gone off this
Yeah,
my
exactly.
futures account. You trying to go to the gym? You trying to go to the gym?
It actually worked out well. I took one short today on an eval, and that was it. I haven't taken anything else. I don't think I'm going to take anything else today.
Yeah, the longs are here.
Yep. Again, if you're in a long, congratulations. I'm looking at look at the what's that? 450s to 480s as targets.
I'm not scalping anything. We're already in an expensive box. This is not a scalping area right here. This is not a scalping area. If you look at the small,
Super expensive, you mean?
yeah, expensive. Yeah, I mean super expensive. And then we're already above the 5-minute moving average, and we haven't had a single pullback yet back down to that 5-minute moving average. I wouldn't even scalp here at all. I'll wait. Like if you want to scalp, wait for it to come back down to either 400 VWAP or 368. Yeah, but like I couldn't even scalp here, even if I wanted to.
Ooh, we're rangy. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. I can see why we're rangy.
Like I may move my target up a little bit more.
Yeah, I can see. Definitely me see what's getting
I had
to
3 micros coming off at 450.
478. There might be a little
450.
traffic.
And then I had one micro coming off at 480, and I was gonna let the last micro run. But this is the pullback I was talking about. Back down to the 5-minute moving average. I'm like, if I was aggressive, I would have taken that trade right there off the 15-second chart. That would have been a nice 15-point trade.
Goes the pull back down.
Yeah. But like for that trade, you got to be real quick.
Will we come back down to the money zone? Let's see. See if it wants to do that. Or will it find support? Let's look at
But
the
let me call you back. I'm on
market
YouTube.
structure. Look at the market structure, see what's happening here. Oh, look, you know, I'm telling you, the person who developed this TWA market structure,
Isn't he on the call now?
no. This person's anonymous. I know. All I know is the person on the call. AI won't allow me to say the proper name of the person who who put this together. But my
Hey,
goodness.
I can take no credit for Adam's work.
See, that's why I don't say names. I keep it vague.
Yep.
What is that green? Like, what's that green? Those green boxes or green areas?
So the
Like, what does that
green,
represent?
these are support areas, right? So this is where we are now, and on the bottom when it gets darker green, DC, can you explain this, like this second box area here, where it's like a lighter green and
Light
darker
green,
green?
dark green, light green, yeah.
I think depending on your color, they're just stacked boxes on top, one on top of the other.
Okay, yeah. So this is basically a bunch of stacked support together, right? The way I read it is, you know, for them to break down, like we have to have some serious participation. And if you notice, like they play so nicely together. Look, like this is literally at midnight. We hit a new structure high, then we started heading back down. And then let's see if this one wants to get back to this area. Or will it start chopping down this box again? But this just gives you some idea. Like this is why I was like, you know, if we stayed under this level, then this box would have eventually broken. But we couldn't. You see how in a 15-minute candle we pushed right back up?
Mm-hmm.
And now we're up here. But eventually, if it keeps, it's like a hammer, right? If you keep chipping away at it, it's eventually gonna break, and then you got the next one. Here, I'll just zoom out so you guys can see how nicely. You just have a bunch of boxes here. It just means there's a lot of support in this area. Hopefully the bulls are sitting here.
I wish I would have taken this trade heavier.
If not, then, you know. Then on your trigger chart, you can see this is where the support box was. We couldn't really break it down. This was nice right here. Came up, buy. There. Okay, so now price action. That's a 15-second though. On the 30-second and the 1 minute, it's on reversal. So it's still a good time to get in on those time frames. Let's see this. This is another view at it. You can see the IVD was this color background means bullish weakness. So we went from bearish to bullish weakness, and then eventually it popped, and now we have bullish strength. This was a nice little call out by the Gabby buttons. You had one back here and another one right here. This is on the 15-second chart.
I wasn't. That would have been nice. There's a scalp again. I'm just gonna manage this position a little bit better. Let's move all my stops. We should be able to get a violent push soon. Let me see. Maybe not. We're inside the 1 minute money zone. That's what it is. I'm just not seeing that. We keep wicking the bottom of the 5 minute money zone. No, we're above. I guess it's the violent push out I was expecting. I don't really think it's gonna be a continuation, a continuous move up though. Not with the 1 minute and 5 minute money zone sitting right here in the super expensive box. And then we have a monthly level and a weekly level right here at the 50s and the 60s. Right inside the 5 minute money zone.
Do we have any questions from anybody today? Anybody have any questions on the indicators? What they are, what they do? It's a great time to ask. You can see how nicely on the bottom of the screen here. If you need help with entering the market, we got some nice trigger indicators here that can help you enter. We have some nice directional indicators that can help you with direction.
Above 480, I have 500 as a psych level, also monthly level, and then I have 531. Then I have 560, between 555 and 560. Then after that, it's 800. I don't think we get to 800 today because we do have a little bit of previous daily highs. We have a daily close. We have previous daily open. We had the Sydney and Tokyo high. So I mean, I don't think we get up to 800s today.
I'll be very interested to see what happens at the 540s.
This is how I wanted that first trade to go. That's why I took that first trade so heavy. The second trade, one, I was on the phone, and I felt like I was kind of going against the trend. So I took it kind of light, or a lot lighter than I did the first trade.
You broke your rule, man. No phone while trading.
I know. But that phone call was originally supposed to be a trading question about some options that I told somebody to take, and he was trying to ask me how to sell it. If he should sell, what he should do, how to set a stop loss.
That's different. That's still trading.
Yeah, it's just not trading Nasdaq, and I have a strict rule. It's like, we're not talking Nasdaq or something that could
Yeah.
help benefit me right now. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I hate to be that guy, but I have to be that guy.
You can see Cloud's call list at 11:30 is really long. He's like, all right, now I can talk.
No, for real. Like from about 11, from 11:30 a.m. to about 11 p.m. I'm on the phone nonstop. But from 9 to 11, I don't text. I don't answer the phone for nothing, for nobody. I don't care what it's about. I answer the phone for you. That's different. So this is where it gets kind of tricky and dicey. I mean, for me, it's like potentially, it's like I won't take any longs here. I'll only be looking for shorts. We have flipped the money zone on all the time frames from the 1 to the 15 minute. But we do have a 15-minute moving average sitting right here at the cycle level and a monthly level of 500. That would be the short that I would potentially take if you want to take a nice short that can potentially run. But other than that, I mean, for me personally, it's like I would just kind of sit here, wait for a bigger pullback. Like I'm looking at both YM and ES right now. But yeah, like I would just kind of wait a little bit.
Wow. Wow. I would have been in this short, by the way.
I still stand by my statement
I will.
by me wanting to wait for a higher price for a better
Yeah.
short. But no, this is a nice short. This is a nice short right here.
I mean, I'm gonna.
60 points right there. Like that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Like, here's why, right? It's on this trigger chart here. You had the timing mechanism right there. 1, 2, right? You had the change. Let me just make this a little bigger. You had the change of coloring from bright green to dark green, and then a Gabby sell button right there, followed by a sell. I would have taken this short. And if you look at context wise, let's put this on. You can see we're in the super expensive box. So, you could have taken a short here. Let's say if you would have taken it here, I'll be generous. Let's say at the 450, there's a 50-point drop. Definitely TP1 would have been hit, TP2 would have been hit, and then you can see if you can get that TP3 down to this area. What is that called? Oh my gosh, the money zone. And if you would have went in earlier with this trigger option, would have been a nice trade either way. Would have been a nice short. Contract sizing wise, because of, if I go back, because we have a green background for the IVDs, yeah, maybe 2-3 micros. See what you can get. Yeah, you can see it's just a little bit here, and that would have been a very nice short. Then as soon as this clicks back to bright green, get out.
I'm long at 40.
Which is right where it turned bright green.
Let's see if we can at least retest the highs before I get stopped out.
comes again. Let me see. Would I have been able to stay in this trade? Let's see. Let me see. Not that one. That one. I would have gotten in. Call it here. Right there, right? My stop would not have been 50 points. Would have been 20.
Mo, are you looking short?
I'm not trading anymore today. I don't feel good, so I'm not trading anymore right now. But I'm just trying to see if I would have been able to hold on to this trade. Let's see. Here to, let me just put a line.
That opening was kind of violent though. Like I may need to stop trading the open as much or as aggressively.
Yeah, just trade the new 4 hour. Like the new
I
4
made
hours where
money.
you get your really huge trades, man.
No, I mean, as you can see with this trade, this is my biggest trade today, and it was my smallest position size. Yeah, this is my biggest trade from a point standpoint, not dollar amount, but point standpoint. This is my biggest trade. So
So that would have been TP1.
that first trade I called out, that was my biggest trade. That's a trade. That's a trade that I like the most. I'm leaving those is relatively risky. I was able to to at least get 60 points from majority of position. So 60, 50 points. I mean 60 to 50 points on 30 micros. That's a nice trade right there, you know.
I just would have missed 50 points. But if that would have hit there, then it would have moved to -10. And then I would have been out. I would have kept it at 20. Which is probably what I would have done because I would have had more mic left. Possible. This one might be a better one, actually. Actually, this one is the better time. Let me move this one. What's the timing? Here, okay. See what I got in here. Keep that at a 20. There. This is the same entry. That's pretty interesting.
Looking at what the trades that like you would have taken.
Yeah, because I'm just thinking, like, just based
What
off
time
of,
frame are you on?
this is the 15 second, this one.
I was about to say, okay.
So this is good for everybody out there. Like, you see, when the direction's not in your favor, and the only thing you have is some context, right? This is considered, super expensive. But as soon as you see, like, we really keep getting back into this, maybe take 2 stabs at it and then you stop. Because this is not in your favor, the price action. This is not in your favor, the IVDs. And you also kind of don't want to long heavily in here. So this is a no trade zone. For me, I would have to wait for stuff to change, like this. This background would have to change. Something here would have to show me bullish weakness. That's why I like doing mental trades sometimes, especially when I don't feel well. Because then I can see, well, would I've taken this and why? It's good. It's a good little forward testing practice. Definitely, my kids got me sick. Definitely. Hacking all over me yesterday. But it's alright. I caught my nice. Yeah, I do a little recap. Prices been taking off good. Just if you're in a long, congratulations. Just ride it as long as you possibly can. At the 540s, get ready for probably another pullback at that area. And if it does pull back but stay above this, I think the 500 area, we could get, you could possibly get another leg up. But I think probability wise, once we reach the top, we're heading back down to where we were today at the open. That's my guess.
We're right here at the 500 level that I talked about. I'm owning a couple micros, and I think we can get a little quick push up and a more aggressive push down.
Here it comes. As soon as he
Yeah.
said aggressive push down, that's exactly what happened.
Listening to me.
Let's see.
I know you.
Actually, you know what? You can go to the gym later.
Do a quick review. So you see how nicely the market structure indicator held support and we pushed up. Let's see if we can make it up to this the 600s, maybe the 640s. we'll see. Right now, context wise, we are really expensive, so um, the likelihood of it breaking out of this before what, 2 o'clock, it's not that high because it would be a very violent push. So we could be dancing around this area, a little pullback here and there, unless something weird happens, because who knows what the algos decide to do. But as far as we're concerned, let's see. Yeah, like I would just wait for a new 4 hour if you're trying to get into a trade. The only thing you could really do here is short for now, and if you don't like the shorts, just wait for a new 4 hour. Cloud, anything you got in closing?
No, that's it for me. I'm still watching this 500 level, but you pretty much said it.
DC, anything for you?
Like Mo showed, today was the day of the patient. We were both looking short at the beginning because of many things. Took a stab, they didn't work. Fine, I said I would change my bias after 3:30 on a break and retest. We broke it. Did we retest it? No. So just patient. Sometimes the smarter trade is not to take a trade at all. There are gonna be other days, and we're gonna get them.
Yep. Excellent.
Good job for Cloud, who got like 300, 500, 700 points today.
I wish I got that many points, but no, I mean,
Because he's always buying the bottom.
no, I mean, okay.
And
So for me, it's like I'm a one-directional
I hope
trader.
there will be the day where that won't work anymore. I'm very one-directional also. I was looking short. I didn't flip. Short, long, no,
No,
short,
but
no,
you took
no, we're short.
no, but we took longs together. In the beginning, like I thought you took longs.
I did before the new 4 hour. Why? Because we were super extra cheap. That's why. So it was a one chance, and it didn't work. So,
Yeah, and congratulations to Chris on 200 points today.
let's go.
I'll put it on the screen for everybody. Congratulations. Awesome. Hey, Chris, what indicator, if you can name one, what indicator helps you the most?
Cloud.
No. Chris does a lot of trading by himself. I feel like for him, like I don't want to speak for him, but I feel like for him,
Let him answer. Let him answer.
Okay.
If he doesn't answer today, he'll answer it another day. That's cool. Because it's interesting to know, right? Because I know everybody comes trading in from like all different areas, different experiences, right? It'd be interesting to see. Like Cloud, I know Cloud loved the evidence lines. Like that was his like baby. Like he has so many on his screen, but it gives him so much information. You know? Okay, there you go. Chris just said he said the 4 hour. The 4 hours is, if he had to pick one, he says the 4 hours is favorite. Thank you, Chris.
Okay, so now trick question: 4 hour on auto or small?
Oh.
Auto.
Yeah, I could have guessed that one. But that's good. That's good to see. So there, I'll put. I think Chris is he's like smashing it too, right? Like he has.
Yeah, he has a lot of funded accounts.
Yeah, that's good. It's great to hear. Thank you, Chris. Yep, auto. There we go. I'll put it up. 4 hour auto. So for Chris, he loves the 4-hour forecaster on the auto setting. And it's what he sees is helping him the most if he had to pick just one. Awesome. Well, that's 200 points for proof, like right here on live. So I think Cloud hit the long of the day, over 200 some odd points. He's just being humble and saying maybe, but we all know it's really 5. But you know, who's counting?
Indeed, you do.
But that's great. Congratulations, and congratulations to anyone else out there who's traded today. If you took shorts or longs, you know, like I took a short today, it hit 25 points for me, and then but it didn't run, and then I was done for the day. DC just told you what he did. Cloud told you what he did. Chris told you what he did. So the key is, everybody, trade your chart. You know, always trade your chart. And if you have any questions about the indicators, ask them in the Discord. Cloud loves answering indicator questions, especially when he's trading. DC and myself, we're all here to answer indicator questions. And until tomorrow, guys, sorry, but I'm a little under the weather today, but we'll be on tomorrow, and we'll trade again tomorrow. Thank you, everybody.
Bye, guys.